Hey guys, welcome back to CyberGeek. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install WSL2 in your Windows system. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है तो आप इसे हैकिंग फैंडम चैनल पर देख सकते हैं. उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन पर दे दिया है. So if you guys want to watch this video in Hindi, please go to Hacking Phantom channel, which link I have left in description box and in the I button too. So let's continue with the video. So now, why do we need to install WSL2 in our Windows? Basically, WSL2 is nothing but your Windows subsystem for Linux. Yeah, it says subsystem for Linux, right? So you can easily run Kali Linux or Ubuntu, anything on your Windows without any need of virtual machine and all. So today we are going to see how to install WSL2. And in the upcoming video, I will show you guys how to even install Kali Linux on your Windows 10. So let's just continue the video. And first of all, what you have to do, you have to come to your PowerShell over here and run it as administrator. Okay, so once you run it as administrator, you just come over here, give a command over here, cd colon and // and then hit enter. So you'll come inside the C drive over here. So what you have to do, I'm going to show you guys 3 commands which you have to run to install this WSL in your system. So first of all, copy the first command, insert, and your installation will get started. Okay, so once the installation has been done, we will run the second command. So now you can see it has been installed, and if you see the command over here, it says dism.exe online enable feature name virtual machines platform /all/no restart. I have mentioned over here no restart, which means after the installation the system will not get restart. Okay, just for demonstration purpose only I'm mention over there no restart, or else your system will get restart, and you know, right, the recording will get disturbed. So let me just copy the second command and insert it and hit enter. So now this command is also going to install. Once your virtual machine has been installed and your Windows subsystem is get installed, all you have to do is that you have to restart your Windows. Okay, so in the command I have mentioned no restart, but you have to do your restart so that it can work fine. So the installation has been done. So in my case of scenario, let me just close this one. Okay, so I have already installed it, so I do not need to restart my system, but you guys please restart your system. Okay, so once you restart, again you go here and type PowerShell run as administrator, and there we go. So now over here you can see you do not have to do anything, do not have to change any directory, stay where you are, and you have to type this command over here, copy, insert it and hit enter. Now you can see you are getting something like this. Do not worry, it's not an error. Basically you will get something else on your command. It says the subsystem is not installed or it's not functioning. So for that, what you have to do, you have to come over here, go on the website and click over here, download the Linux kernel update package, this one. Okay, so once you click on it, your download will start, and let me just show you. So something like this will be installed in your system. It says deleted. I have changed the path, that's the reason why it says deleted. So once you install it, it's gonna look like something like this over here, right? So once it's been installed, just click on it, and the update only applies to machine with the Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so for me, I have already installed it. It is very simple to install. Just click on next, wait for it, give permission and click on finish. So your installation will be done successfully. So once your installation has been done successfully, what you have to type over here, you have to type this command over here to check it. Okay, WSL-L. So now you can see over here we have our Windows subsystem for Linux and it says legacy default, and we have our Kali Linux over here. So we will be seeing in the next video how to install Kali Linux on your Windows system without any need of virtual machine or VMware stuffs and all, or no need of dual boot. So today we have successfully installed our WSL2. Okay, so we have installed it and we will be installing Kali Linux 2 also to run it on Windows. So we guys will meet in the next video guys. Till then, goodbye.